What's going on, Franky Gang? It's your boy Franky. I'm having a Franky day. I'm doing it Franky's way, and I hope you're doing it the same. So today, man, it's kind of a sad day. It's not really sad because nothing bad's happening, but it's kind of a sad day for me. So I'm gonna be removing my intakes and my blow-off valves. Yeah, no more whoops, when I accelerate. But yeah, I'm on my way now to meet up with Taylor. Damn. I just realized it's gonna be the last time y'all gonna hear the blow-off valves on my car, so gotta give y'all something, right? Let me roll the windows down a little bit. Man, my exhaust is loud. That's that MBRP for you, man. Let me see if I can get one more whistle for y'all. I'm almost at my destination. Let's see if I can get one more turbo or blow-off for y'all. All right, guys, so I already got the front part of the engine bay off. Obviously took that part off. That was the easy part. I took these clips out, but man, these clips are so frail. Like, I was looking at them, literally over half of these are already broken, which is insane. But yeah, gang, we're gonna be taking the blow-off valves off. We're gonna be taking the intakes off. So the reason I'm taking the blow-off valves off is I actually watched Boost in Motion and Sonic Tunes. Like, they did like an hour-long live, and they talked a lot about like the blow-off. They talked, man, everything from downpipes to blow-off valves to upgraded turbos to injectors to E85. Very, very informative video. So shout out to Boost for that, man. Make sure y'all check that video out. I'll drop it in the description. But yeah, after watching that video, man, blow-off valves ain't the move. Honestly, they can actually do more harm to your car than any good. Honestly, the only good they do is the whoops noise that we all love, but that's not enough for me. You can honestly run into boost leak issues if they're not installed properly, but I know mine are. Shout out to Taylor. But yeah, no, they could actually hurt the performance of your car because it's an automatic car that already has a way or a system to recirculate the air pressure. Now, don't chew me out. I'm not, I don't know all the technical terms, but the car already has a system or a way to recycle all that air. And by adding the blow-off valves, it actually, throws off the computer. It kind of, for lack of better words, screws up the ECU. So yeah, they're totally unnecessary, not needed. So I figured, why not take them off and sell them and use that to upgrade some of the current parts I have, which leads me to the intakes. So the intakes, I am going to be installing new intakes, but I'm not going to tell you guys which ones because it's going to be a surprise. But if you know kind of me, I'm different and I like to go with the newest thing. So just keep that in mind. There are some new intakes out there, not even like this at all, not this style intake at all. So just keep that in mind. It'll be a true cold air intake. That's all I'm gonna say, but I'm super excited for those. Those should get here next week, so you guys probably won't see that video for a couple of weeks, but this is all in preparation to get tuned on E85, guys. So be on the lookout for that. We'll be getting tuned. I'll be going full E85, hoping to put up some big numbers, man. But yeah, I got some goodies coming for the car. But before we can get that, gotta take those bad boys off. So I'll keep y'all updated. Got the intakes out on both sides. For the most part, we just got the last thing down here. The whole driver's side is pulled out. So as everyone knows, the driver's side is a lot easier to do than the passenger side, just because Infiniti hates all of us. But anyways, we're about to pull these off. Making progress. Taylor is the GOAT, man. And for all you who don't know, Taylor is literally a pool of information. Hit him up on Instagram. I put his Instagram on the screen for a reason. Ask him questions. He's there to help you guys out. He helps me out all the time, so definitely hit him up on IG. So we do have the intake tubing out, and if you can kind of see like the little shining, the light reflecting off that is a little bit of oil. I wonder if it's like blow by. I'm gonna get an oil catch can just to see, but I mean, it's not nearly as much as it was the last time we took these off, but it is some in there. I don't know if it's definitely not normal per se, but I don't know if it's from blow by or leaking turbo seals, but turbos have been good thus far, knock on wood. So, but it is a little bit of oil in there just so you guys can see that, but nothing to really worry about as of yet. So we gonna keep going. Looks familiar if you got a VR30. Obviously missing the engine cover, but I am 100% stock under here. So yeah, I wonder what the startup's gonna sound like. It's gonna be obviously different without the intakes and everything, but back to stock, but only for a week. Like I said, I got a surprise coming with the intakes. A lot of you can probably already guess what they are, but got some intakes coming, gonna be super dope. So I should be recording that next weekend, so you guys should see it the following week. But shout out to Taylor as always. As you guys can see, he can install and he can uninstall and he can reinstall. So yeah, appreciate you, my guy.
Back and forth all the time.
Yes, sir. What? Oh my, why? Alright, gang, so the install, or I guess the uninstall, right, is fully complete. And I gotta say, the car does accelerate and de-accelerate a hell of a lot better. Like, it feels so much more smooth when I drive. Like, the car feels more secure. Not more secure, but like, the throttle response is better. The throttle response is better. That's a better way to put it. Like, it feels so much better. Obviously, because the blow-off valves didn't need to be there. But I can definitely tell, like, I don't know if it was a boost leak, which I doubt, but it was definitely like taking away some of the performance of the car, because man, it feels so much better without the blow-off valves. Like, honestly, I can't wait to get on the expressway so I can play a little bit, kind of be a little fast boy. But man, it feels a hell of a lot better, honestly, man. I'm telling y'all, watch that video with Boost in Motion and Sonic Tune, man. Those guys drop hella gems in that video, man. Shouts out to them for real. Because if it wasn't for that video, I'd still be running blow-off valves. But man, the car feels so much better without it. This is the car that shoots flames. And yeah. Oh my goodness. This is the car that shoots flames. So yeah, y'all see what type of activity we got going on right now. That cop just flew past too. I think they're turning around, so. Uh-oh. I think a cop is about to pull up on. Oh no, I think so. All right, gang, so we literally just got followed by a cop for probably, I'd say, the better part of a mile. And the cop eventually turned off as we left, like, the kind of the town we were in. So I guess it was out of his jurisdiction. But literally, bro, the cop just pulled off. And no later than 5 seconds after the cop pulls off, what do y'all think Mr. Red Car was doing? I'm not gonna self-incriminate. I'm not gonna dry snitch. What do y'all think Mr. Red Car started doing again? Oh my gosh. Bro, he's just asking to get us lit up right now. Oh my goodness. Menace to society. I'm kind of far away. Oh, let me catch up a little bit so I can get this on camera. I'm trying not to speed through this neighborhood, but he's flying. This man is a menace to society. Man, this stunt driver be going crazy in this red Q. Oh my goodness. Chill! Chill! You gonna get us lit up! You gonna get us lit up!
It's over. I said it's over. I'm getting old.